Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. However, you want to acknowledge that, I will stay with Merry Christmas. Thank you that Jesus is still the reason for my seasons. My name is Jeff, and I want to wish everyone under the sound of my voice a Merry Christmas. If this is your first time, I am from the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I recently have been looking at different applications, legal live TV, licensed live TV, and Sling has popped off the page for several different reasons. It has been around for a long time, and I want to go to their website because I have resubscribed to Sling, or will do after this video, because I just like to try different things. Now, there's a few reasons why I like Sling, and I'll make those very clear during this really short video. So, Sling.com is a provider of live TV. They have several different channels, ranging from 10 all the way up. Let's just take a look at their plan. So, the first thing you'll notice is that NBA Christmas games all day on ESPN with the Orange Day Pass for $4.99. Sling has really gone to the 1 day passes. What does that mean? Maybe you like your favorite sporting events. Maybe you like whatever it might be. Instead of buying a full year, you can get access for 1 day on a sports pass, or 3 days on a sports pass. It hasn't been like that before. So as we go down, you'll see here all the plans for the passes. If I do all the passes, let me see if this takes me somewhere I don't want to. Give me 1 second. Let's open this up. These are the TV packages here. So you'll see the different TV packages. You've got the orange and blue starting at $29.99 a month. You got orange 1 day, 3 days, 7 days monthly. They even have prepaid passes. You'll notice that you'll say, well, there's only 50 channels. Orange only has 30 channels. Have you ever thought about how many channels of TV does a person watch? You have some internet packages that give you 11,000 live TV channels, 80,000 movies and TV shows. Be honest, I've done the research. The average person watches live TV channels here, on average, 10 to 21 channels of TV, period. So it begs to differ. Do you need a package that has all those channels? It's really up to you. If you want that, get that. But having channels for 30 plus channels has really nothing to do how old you are. You just don't realize how many channels you watch. So if you're going to choose something like a licensed TV package, know that they've done the research, that the average person actually averages between 10 and 21 channels. That's it. That you look at the same channels every single time you turn on your TV. The 99.9% of the time, you're going to the same channels each and every time. So these packages are priced correctly, from just starting at $19.99, even down to international and even the popular free stream. So having the day passes, having the international channels, having this free stream, which we'll look at in a moment, gives anyone who's paid for Sling or who doesn't pay for Sling access to TV. Because there's so much free TV out here, it's understandable what we have. So we've seen all the plans. Let me go back a page here. And I think you should really check it out. If you haven't checked out, I would go to Sling. As you can see, let me go down here. You have monthly, you have day pass, 3 pass, 7-day pass, 3-month prepay. You can, even if you're in a sporting, or you know that let's say for instance, you are in, let's say, the playoffs right now for the NFL. You could get the 3-month prepay pass, 1-month prepay pass, and watch everything going into the Super Bowl from now until the Super Bowl. And you won't miss anything because it has all your locals. It has all the prepay passes there. So it has the channels that you're looking for. I think it's really... Now, another thing they went to is they work on all the supported devices, even the internet, even your laptop, which I am right here. So to prove that, what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and block this out, but I'm going to go ahead and sign in Let's sign me in really quick, and then I'm going to show you what I mean when we go to free stream. So I'm going to let sign me in, and I use Sling free stream on my devices. So if I go back here to my account, sorry, let me go back here. Hang on. There we go. I had to click on it. So I'm going to watch free stream. So now Sling free stream gives you an option to sign in, gives you the option to watch. I have an account, Mufasa here, and it's working on my laptop. So I have a guide. I can restart and pay, like I said I'm going to do. You have home. You have a guide here. If you go to the guide TV, you have your favorites, you got recents, you have sports, you have news. Let's say I go to news. This is all free TV on any device called a Sling Free Stream. So Sling understands that we are not no longer in a cable TV mindset. We're in a streaming type of platform. So they've made the adjustment where it's going to work on all your devices. They made the adjustment to give you a taste of all of their free stream, their free TV, and they've made the adjustment whether you want a monthly pass, a yearly pass, a 1-day pass, a 3-month pass, a 7-day pass. They've done it all for us. And the only way you're going to get the DVR is you have to have a paid plan. But the fact that you have Sling free stream is amazing. 100% amazing. From the news all the way down. Okay. So what I would do is let's revisit Sling because I think they get a bad rap. And a lot of us don't actually realize how available it is for those who don't even have a paid account. So I just want to bring that to your attention. I would take a look at Sling, revisit it, and just let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's been fabulous. I'm going to subscribe and do a more deep dive into Sling so we stop sleeping on it. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in to this Christmas video. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I appreciate the support over the last 12 months. Have a good day. Bye bye.